Scientists are warning of the dangers of mirror life forms, which are microorganisms that are mirror images of existing ones. These mirror life forms are composed of molecules that are flipped versions of those found in nature. They could pose risks to human health and the environment. While they may seem like something out of science fiction, the creation of such organisms could be possible within the next decade due to advancements in synthetic biology. The concern stems from the fact that these mirror life forms, particularly mirror bacteria, could evade our immune systems. Our body's defenses rely on recognizing specific molecular patterns in pathogens, but mirror bacteria would lack these patterns, rendering our immune response ineffective. This could lead to deadly infections that are difficult to treat. Mirror bacteria could also disrupt ecosystems by outcompeting native species and altering natural processes. They might be resistant to existing biological controls like viruses and antibiotics, allowing them to proliferate unchecked and potentially leading to ecological imbalances. The concept of chirality, or handedness, is central to understanding mirror life forms. Many molecules, including those essential for life, exist as mirror images of themselves, much like our left and right hands. These mirror images, called enantiomers, have the same chemical properties but can interact differently with biological systems. Nature typically favors one version of these molecules, with amino acids being left-handed and sugars right-handed. However, scientists are now exploring the possibility of creating mirror versions of these molecules and even entire organisms. While there are potential benefits to this research, such as developing new drugs and treatments, the risks are substantial. Mirror life forms could escape from labs and have unforeseen consequences, disrupting natural ecosystems and potentially causing widespread illness. The warning about mirror life forms comes from a group of 40 renowned scientists who published their concerns in the prestigious journal Science, supported by a comprehensive technical analysis. Scientists are calling for responsible research and robust governance to prevent the accidental release of mirror organisms and to ensure that any potential benefits are carefully weighed against the risks. Synthetic biology is a rapidly evolving field that involves the design and construction of new biological parts, devices, and systems, or the redesign of existing natural biological systems for useful purposes. It's a multidisciplinary field that draws on principles from biology, engineering, chemistry, computer science, and other disciplines to create innovative solutions to a wide range of challenges. Imagine engineering microbes to produce life-saving drugs, designing plants that can detect landmines, or creating artificial cells that can deliver targeted therapies. These are just a few examples of the exciting possibilities that synthetic biology offers. One of the key applications of synthetic biology is in medicine. Scientists are engineering microbes to produce drugs and vaccines more efficiently and effectively. For instance, researchers have engineered yeast to produce artemisinin, a key ingredient in antimalarial drugs. This breakthrough has increased the availability of this life-saving medication. Synthetic biology is also being used to develop new diagnostic tools, such as biosensors that can detect diseases at an early stage. These biosensors can be designed to detect specific biomarkers, such as DNA sequences or proteins associated with a particular disease, allowing for faster and more accurate diagnosis. Despite its vast potential, synthetic biology also raises ethical and safety concerns. The ability to create artificial life forms or modify existing ones raises questions about the potential for unintended consequences. There are concerns about the potential for bioterrorism or the accidental release of engineered organisms into the environment.